Hey everyone, we're going to test the UMIDIGI G9 5G in more detail today. This smartphone introduces 5G connectivity to the ultra-budget market. This phone is an excellent choice for consumers who don't have high demands, but yet need basic functionality for everyday tasks, because it costs less than $100. Let's see the features that this smartphone provides. The usual package for budget models is included with the UMIDIGI G9 5G, but it also comes with a few extra accessories, which is a pleasant surprise. The smartphone comes with a protective case, a Type-C cable, a power adapter, a SIM card tray ejector tool, and a pre-applied screen protector. Considering the price range, this package is really appealing. The G9 5G has an understated yet appealing appearance. It gives choices to fit every user and is offered in black, blue, and green. At just 189 grams, the phone feels comfortable and light. The primary camera is housed in a glossy insert within a matte plastic shell. The user-friendly appearance is enhanced by the typical button arrangement and rounded corners. In addition to having a memory card slot, which is a bonus for expanding storage, the phone supports 2 SIM cards. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and Type-C is used for charging. The manufacturer refers to the 6.75-inch bezel-free display as frameless on this smartphone. Nonetheless, the pixel density is only 260 ppi, due to the resolution of only 1600 by 720 pixels. Users who are used to clear screens may find this to be a disadvantage. While it somewhat improves the viewing experience, the 90Hz refresh rate is insufficient to make up for the low resolution. Furthermore, there is poor vision in direct sunlight, which may worry some users. The Unisoc T765 powers the UMIDIGI G9 5G. This configuration provides sufficient speed for routine activities like chatting, streaming videos, and online browsing. There are a total of 12 gigs of RAM available in the phone, with an additional 6 gigs that can be added through storage. For the majority of users, the 128 gigs of internal storage should be plenty. However, for people accustomed to contactless payments, the absence of NFC could be a drawback. The G9 5G is obviously aimed towards markets or user demographics, like seniors or kids, for whom this capability isn't essential. A 50-megapixels primary sensor and two 2-megapixel secondary sensors make up the main camera system. Although there is not a lot of detail, the 8-megapixels front camera sensor can take respectable selfies in favorable sunlight. This device also supports portrait mode, however its low light performance is subpar, producing grainy, low-quality images. The UMIDIGI G9 5G has a 5000 mAh battery, which is typical of contemporary low-cost smartphones. This guarantees continuous use without the need for recharging for an entire day. Even with its amazing advertising, the 18-watt fast charging falls short of current standards, since phones can already achieve 50% charge in as little as 30 minutes. Those who lead hectic lives may find the G9 5G to be inconvenient due to its slower processing times. For people who don't want high-end specs but are searching for an inexpensive smartphone with 5G capability, the UMIDIGI G9 5G is a good option. It's a great choice for kids or retirees. Considering the phone's price, its shortcomings, such as its poor camera quality, low screen resolution, and delayed charging, are tolerable. Please remember to hit the bell symbol, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you found this review helpful. Of course, feel free to discuss the UMIDIGI G9 5G in the comments section below. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming review. Have a nice day and God bless you.